In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make up to about $32 with a ClickBank product that we're going to use to show this method that you can use to make quite a lot of money online, or with whatever product that you decide you want to use, because it can be done with any pretty much ClickBank product that you want to use. Alright, so we're going to get started on that here, and I'm going to switch over to my other monitor right now, so stick around. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video here. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here on YouTube. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, just while we're talking about it here, go ahead and reach down there and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here. Also, the reason why I want you to subscribe is because I'm always coming out with money-making videos to try to help bring more and more financial freedom and time freedom into your guys' lives, okay, with each and every video. Alright, well, with the to-do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this video. First thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to come to ClickBank, and we're going to get our product here. And here at ClickBank, you can see what I've done is, which, by the way, if you don't have an account, it's free to create one. Just click on Create Account, get your account nickname or your affiliate ID, and make sure that you save that so you don't forget it, okay? And then when you do that, you want to click on Get Logged In and click on Marketplace right up here that you see. It brings you over here to the Marketplace page, and you can see there's all kinds of categories of products that you can choose. Now, this method I'm going to show you here today is 100% free and can be done pretty much anywhere in the world that you can do this with. Now, for this particular method I'm going to show you here today, which can be done with any product that you want to choose on ClickBank, the only difference is I just chose this particular product for our example today. Now, you can see all the categories of here of products that you can choose from. Now, what I did was I come over and I typed up here in the search engine, if you can see this, I just typed dog and I clicked on the search, and then I did a search by gravity right here, and it brought up this particular product right here. Brain training for dogs, unique dog training course. It's an easy sell. You can see here you can make about $32, $31.65 roughly, per sale on the initial sale. And if you look down here too, you see it's got a high gravity of 180 right there, which means that 180 people are selling this product with success online. And there's also this site has upsells to it, so this is like a membership type of thing, and you can get an average rebill here of about $25. So you could actually make, particularly with this product, you can make quite a bit of extra money on the upsell side here as well. Alright, so anyways, with this product here, if I'll show you the sales page here, and this is the sales page for it here. It's really pretty good. Gives a lot of info about this particular training system here, and all the different things that you can learn and people can learn. It's actually a pretty good product for people that, you know, need some help training their dogs, okay? And so anyways, with that out of the way, now let's come back over here, and what we want to do is click on Promote here. You don't have to worry about the affiliates page at this particular point. You just want to click Promote. And when I did that, of course, that brought this up. Now, I've stepped ahead, guys, here in this video a little bit to try to hold down the time in the video so it's not so long for you guys here, okay? So anyways, I stepped ahead and created, and you see my nickname in there, my account nickname, and then here's my ClickBank link right here. And of course, what we want to do is we want to take that link over to bit.ly.com and shorten that up. So you can see that I've already copied it here, and all you do is click that button right there, or you can, you know, highlight it and right click it and copy as well. It's up to you, however you want to do it. And then what I did was I took that link over here to bit.ly.com, and I shortened it up. You see right there is the ClickBank link, and it gave us this nice little link right here, which is also right here. Now, so we have our product. Now, I'm going to show you how we're going to market this thing here. So what I did was I came over here to google.com, you see right here. And you see up here in the Google search engine, I typed in dog obedience blogs. Now you could type, you know, dog training blogs. You can type anything to do with with dogs in the search engine, but what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put blogs on the end of it, so you get just blogs to do with dogs. You're going to do the same thing with whatever ClickBank product you decide to work with off of ClickBank, right? You're going to search for blogs for this. And so anyways, I scrolled down here and I clicked on this particular blog right here, and came over to it, this particular blog right here, Christy Benson Dog Training. Now, you can do this on any of the blogs that you want to do it on that allow comments, because what you're going to do is you're going to leave a thoughtful comment with your affiliate link on the blog, okay? So what I did was I took this article here. Now this one was written on April 3rd. It's got a little bit of age on it, but I'm going to show you. You want to stick around through this video here, because I'm going to show you how you can get up-to-date blogs right when they happen, okay? But anyways, I chose this particular article right here. I read the article and went down. What you want to do, whenever you do this method, you want to be sure that you read the person's article and leave a thoughtful comment with your affiliate link. Now I went ahead and already posted my comment right here. I don't know that if you can see this or not. I actually read this article and I put this comment right here. Well, my dog Mr. Wiggles put me through all the stages you have in your article, which are these particular 5 stages right here that you see. Here's the story. I came home from work one day, and I generally don't mind him being on my couch. This is about your dog allowing dogs up on a couch. It's about what this article's about, right? And I said, but this day was different. I saw where he had chewed on a cushion corner of my couch, and of course there was a hole ripped in it. Immediately I'm in stages 1 and 2, which, as we look through the stages on this particular article, is first stage is denial, the second stage is anger, right? And I said stage 3 was telling my friend about it, and he said to try putting some hot sauce on the material at the spot where the dog chewed. And I said, he said that'll take care of it. Well, the next day after work when I got home, the hole was even bigger. So I know now Mr. Wiggles likes spicy foods, okay? Now stage 4 sets in. So determined, stage 4 was what she said right here in this article right here is depression, right? So determined to get this corrected, I set out to try to understand what was happening here. And that's when I found this site someone had posted about. And if you look right here, if I can get a little bit closer here, you can see there's my bit.ly link right there. Right there. Alrighty? And I said now Mr. Wiggles is a much better pet. Of course it took a couple of months, and hopefully this can help someone else. Excellent article too, and loved reading it. So you want to make sure that you leave a good, thoughtful comment on the person's blog, because I'll tell you what, if you guys just go out there and you post that link, which I want to verify with you that this is the correct link, that's the bit.ly link, right? And if I come back to bit.ly, you can see that it's right here. That is the same link that's on this blog right here. Alright, so but you want to make sure that you do not just go to blogs and post your bit.ly link, because I'm going to tell you what, it's not going to get approved. Some of these you may need to sign in. You can either comment as a guest, or some of the blogs may want you to put your name and your email address in, whatever. It's okay, go ahead and do that. But just make sure that you leave a thoughtful comment to the blog owner, because I'll just be honest with you, I have a blog too, which you can see right down there at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's kevin-lehner.com, and I'll just tell you, there's people that come to my blog and they leave comments on my articles that are nothing but their affiliate link, and guess what I do with that? Yeah, you guessed it right, it goes straight to the garbage. Straight to the garbage. But if somebody comes and leaves a thoughtful comment, and I can tell that they read the article and they leave their affiliate link, then I have no problem approving that link and leaving it on my blog. Okay? So it's the same thing you want to do here. You want to make sure you leave a thoughtful comment with your affiliate link in there, and more than likely that person's going to approve this. Right now it's in approval. This particular one is right here. And you want to leave that so it gets approved. You want your link to stay on that site, and it will be there forever. This almost creates a sort of a passive income thing, which really it is, because the product has upsells like I told you here on ClickBank, right? you see it has upsells here of like $25. So that is passive income, right? Because it's a monthly thing. All right. So it's the same thing on the blogs. You want your link to stay there. So make a thoughtful comment. Now this article, like I told you, this article was old. It's got some age on it, April the 3rd of this year. So how are we going to keep up with the newest post blogs? Well, this is how we're going to do that. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Google Alerts. All you do is type alerts.google.com in your address bar, and it'll bring you here, and you'll need to sign in. You notice up here above my head, you can see that I'm signed into my Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, it's free. It's all just based around a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account with Google, which is free, you have access to all of Google's products just with that one account. So get signed into your Google account here at Google Alerts, and if you'll notice right here, I typed in dog obedience blogs right here. All right, and then what you want to do is you can create an alert, and you can choose options right here. How often do you want to be notified as it happens, once a day or almost once a week? And sources, I clicked on that and chose blogs. That's what I'm after. And then the language is English, which you can choose any language you want. So guys, you can see right here, this is available anywhere in the world. All right. And then your region, you can choose any region you want. Again, it's available all over the world. All righty. Only the best results and the rest of this, and then it's delivering it to my email address. So at that point, it's just a matter of creating the alert. Click on create the alert, and it's created. And now whenever someone posts a new blog post on any blog to do with dog obedience in the world, I'm going to get alerted to it by Google. Okay, because Google, picks up everything in their search engine, right? So when you get alerted to the new blog, that gives you an opportunity to immediately go over and be the first person possibly to comment on a blog article and leave your affiliate link. And again, guys, this is a numbers game. The more you do it, the more chances you have to make lots of money with your particular ClickBank product. Alrighty guys, well that's the video I had for you here today. I wanted to show you this really neat way here that you can make some pretty good money with a ClickBank product using thoughtful comments on other people's blog posts. Alrighty guys, well first of all, if you like this video and you've seen the value in this, reach down there and give me a thumbs up down there below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified. If you got a business idea, an affiliate marketing business that you want to start, or you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and do it the correct way, what you want to do is reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com at the top of my description there, and come over and get the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, which gives you the education that you need to be able to get your affiliate marketing business up online for success in about 15 days or 15 short steps. Alrighty guys, check that out. I'm going to leave you with that. And guys, don't forget to leave any comments or questions that you may have down below there, and I'll get back with you. And I'll let you go and see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video here. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.